Hello everyone, welcome to Parliament SEO YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be sharing a quick hack with you guys. So normally, if you are an SEO like me, we do things in bulk and we do need tools that can uh, get things done in bulk. Like in previous video, I showed you how to extract URLs from from sitemaps. And then in this video, I'm going to test about 100 URLs in bulk and see whether there is a valid accelerated mobile pages like we can use this bulk validator to check if one or more URLs. You can check about 100 are valid AMP or not. So if a submitted URL is not AMP, the tool will look for an AMP URL linked to via the rel AMP HTML tag and test it. This testing tool is using the official AMP project validator, but also checks the implementation of your AMP URLs. So, so it's a very handy tool, and it's a kind of you can even choose the user agent as well. Like you see, I have pasted about 100 URL here, and what I have selected the user agent is a Google Bot smartphone. You can check from other options as well. You see there are lots and lots of options here, so you can just pick one of them and see if there is a valid AMP or not. So you can see it is giving me results. It's taking time. Like so far it is kind of tested 15 URLs out of 100, and so far we can see the status is okay. So by the way, you can use this tool to test the status as well, like for the pages. And then the validation, you see there is a mark which says not AMP and not linking to an AMP URL as well. Remember the first beginning of the video where we where it said that they will look for AMP validation, and if that's not possible, if that's not done, the tool will look for AMP URL linked to via the tag. So and then test it. So these pages that I have pasted here, they are not AMP and not linking to an AMP URL as well. So yeah, that's it. This tool you can use in your auditing arsenal, I would say, in SEO auditing arsenal. So and then you can kind of see if a page is AMP, valid AMP or not. So that's a beautiful accelerated mobile pages validator tool to use in bulk. Thanks for watching. See you in the next in another topic in another video.